job. Blow that red light. Right in front of 2 cops.
Yeah.
Do they do anything about it? No, of course not. They were probably busy looking at their laptops, looking at Facebook or something.
Yeah, texting.
Well, today we're going to be talking about the Mawson expedition. And Tom, you sat in a chair of fine mahogany and leather while thinking about this topic.
I did.
Are you ready to take a long pull from your pipe and regale us with a tale?
Right in the street, dipshit.
I am foolishly, tragically.
Oh my god, no, 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 no. This is not a lane. There's plenty of space up there. Just like this. Oh, yay.
Not gonna lie, I'm kind of sick of this shit, kind of pissed off and a little offended. Someone had the audacity to tell me that the world doesn't revolve around me. Baby, without me, this world ain't moving, bitch.
Baby, anybody? Like, one time, like, I picked up somebody, like, oh wow, look at this asshole. That's really safe. Wow. Well, they're going on the internet. Got them on my dash cam. Log on to Lyft for like 4 solid months. I'm like, yeah, I could just set, there was no point. This isn't a dangerous turn at all. Don't do it, don't. That's a very common thing, type of accident you see on dash cam videos online. It's called a cut through. Don't do it.
Like psychologically, I think we find that that's the
Is that your light? Is that your light? Fuck off! Fuck off! Oh my god.
We're already.
He is barely my assholes.
Activist was tasked with documenting the harm that pornography has caused to our societies. Yeah. we have read from some of that during your gaming live stream.
What are you doing?
So, and that was a joke, right? Like there was no scientific, academic, or legal reason. So I had always assumed that this was kind of a closed question, and it's very interesting to me to know that the Association for Treatment of Sexual Abusers has that position.
No, I can't.
The evidence, I think, only goes slightly the other way. I think the kind of
Why were you parked here in the first place? You can't find a parking spot? You clearly don't know how to park. Let's go. Yay! Cool. It's not my job to go around people double parked. It's not my job to go around people double parked. It's your job. It's your job to park legally. Bye, fucker.
Get out the car.
Bye, fucker.
Let's run it.
Yes. Really? Really? I don't think that's a turn lane.
It's definitely not a turn.
No. This is definitely not a parking lane. Good job! Not you. if that truck ran over something or something came off of it.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Oh boy. Wonder what that sign means. I wonder. Hello. Oh, another one. Excuse me. Excuse you. Anyone even in there? Bye bye. Do they actually have resorts there?
Yeah,
No, they didn't.
Okay.
It's a resort. I mean, but it's like, think about it. It's like a hill, and they have like the snow.
Because I know
machine.
Vermont and
It's
New
like-
Hampshire do.
No,
What is this idiot
there's
doing?
some in Connecticut.
This might be
Used to-
something.
Used to go all the time.
Oh, here we
What
go.
are you? Oh my god.
This is one.
You know, the best thing to do when you're lost is to just make everyone else around you stop.
Reverse.
Yeah. Oh, I missed my turn.
I saw a U-Bill today, eh? Like some lady just like blocked an entire lane.
Oh, yeah.
Waiting for someone to get in her
We
car.
had blinkers on, and we were like, "What are you
Are
doing?"
you
I
kidding?
hate that.
Oh, it was the worst part. He was right in front before we stopped. Like, what am I supposed to do?
Oh my god.
So this is where I got dropped off. I was like, oh, let's go.
Oh my god. Turn your lights on.
Versus Lord of the Rings.
Oh my god. Turn your fucking lights on, Prius.
You're just like, yeah, you know. Or Black Lives
Yep.
Matter,
Yep,
whatever
yep,
it is.
yep.
If the churches know to be against those things, people are vandalizing their churches. So this
Yep.
is what Aquila wrote in this piece. After giving a lot of examples of Mormon church, African American churches.
Anti-gay churches are getting like Black Lives Matter.
Yes, please.
Are getting
Yes, please.
LGBTQ rights messages.
No stops. No stops.
That are on these
This is a traffic lane. That's the bus lane.
Yeah, he's lumping
Are you gonna move or no?
together all the vandalism against
Gotcha,
churches.
okay, thank you.
Cool.
People of goodwill, whether religious or not, must condemn and confront the societal trends that encourage attacks on houses of worship, trends that extend far beyond religion. So part of me is like, yeah, of course you condemn vandalism.
You see this sign? It means you don't stop here. It doesn't say except for Sunday. No? That doesn't mean you should park here. No stops anytime. That's how it works. Because you're in my way. Just calling you out. Yay. We don't know what signs mean. Oh my god. Right on that side. That side. Where did they come from? Right on that side. That side. Where did they come from?
This is chapter 13.
Yes.
13, Obsessed with Reality. This one's a long chapter, a little long chapter.
Is it?
Good, yeah.
Very good. Good job.
So we want to thank our patrons first. We want to thank.
Nope. Nope. That's not how you parallel park. Try again. Or leave. Okay. Why does space ever? Tiny little Toyota Echo couldn't do it.
Dr. Corey guy who's the head of that. He testified in front of Congress. So Senator Ron Johnson had him, and he testified, and he stood in front of Congress, and he talked about ivermectin in front of a fucking congressional panel, and he's like, it is a miracle drug. And he talked about studies from Argentina where, they gave 400 people ivermectin and 400 people without ivermectin, and none of the people that took ivermectin, none of them got sick. And then they go to find that study, and the study is like been pulled out of every place that had been published because it is so fucking full of shit and problems, and like they can't even get the number of participants accurate in the study. Sometimes it's 800, 600, sometimes there's this many men, sometimes there's that many women. It's like, it's all crazy. But that's a guy who testified, like, this shit has made its way all the way to the fucking Senate. Is there any, can you just go to the Senate and just lie? Is that allowed?
You're parked in the bike lane. You see that sign right in front of you? It says no parking. So you're parked in the bike lane. Yes. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the fuck are you doing? No! You're on the train tracks. Park in the middle. You don't know how to drive, you shouldn't be on the road.
So many states just eliminate the improper vote, but many red states just throw out the ballot entirely. And this would say, yeah, no, it's
a great parking spot.
If you also voted for Joe Biden, guess what? Like,
did a report of like that Seattle drivers are honking more, and I'm like, it's probably a lot of that to me. All right, I'm just gonna back into here. What? Sorry. Make you go through this.
I mean, they're all blocking the road right now.
Oh, yeah. Who could have guessed that would happen when everybody double parks? Classic. Great. Love it. Works great for everyone. All right.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
Alright. Have a nice night.
Hey, you too. Take care.
Realization that not everything I believe was real, and that kind of helped me, kind of leave religion.
Let's go.
developing critical thinking skills at that early age. Use the skeptic.
Supposed to ride in the street. Up. Yep. Hey asshole, you know you're in the bike lane, right?
Yeah, but I'm got somebody.
Bike lanes are for bikes, not cars.
Okay.
Do better. You were parked in the bike lane. Bye.